So in this video, you'll learn how to reset the network settings on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to resetting your network settings is to simply open the Settings app. Under Settings, you want to scroll and select General Management and then tap on Reset. From here, scroll down until you find your network settings. So the reset network settings is split into two categories. You have reset mobile network settings, and then you have reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So if you want to reset your mobile network settings, just tap on it once, tap on reset settings, confirm using your PIN, password or pattern, and then select reset. And you can see this tag saying that your network settings have been successfully reset. If you want to reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, just go ahead and tap on it once, select reset settings, and they'll be reset. This means that any Wi-Fi networks that you had previously connected to, as well as Bluetooth devices, have been disconnected. So if you wanted to connect back to the Wi-Fi network, you can just go ahead, tap on it, enter in your Wi-Fi account network details, such as the password, tap on connect, and wait for yourself to be added to the network. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.